Yeah, are we on? Managing volatility. Also manage your stream part. No, how do I say? Yeah. Okay. Hello, traders and investors. Me, Norbert Manhart, bringing you a live stream now. So, yesterday we had a really big sell off in the market. And not that big, 3 something percent. Let me here. I'm going to do a video on this. So, we had a 3.5% from peak to top, bottom. Current, the futures are looking upwards. So that's okay. Now I'm going to show you how I managed my options trade yesterday because this was really, really hard. Right here, we have my options buying power, and this is extremely low for how many positions I have on and how much net liquidity I have. Now, due to the fact that this is going lower and lower and lower, my only chance was to either add some money to the portfolio, which, well, that wouldn't happen that quickly. It usually takes up 2 days, 2 work days, that is. Another possibility was to sell some trades because each time you sell an option, you get credit. And each time you get credit, buying your options, buying power increases. That's what I did. I sold a couple of options right here, one on NVIDIA because I already had the call. So you need to be careful on this. I already had a call open, so these are leaps, okay? I bought the call in with the expiration dates of 15th of January 2027 with 420 days till expiration, and I sold against it a call with a December expiration date. So I'll show you the bit here. I sold this call, which as long as this depreciates, goes even further out of the money, I'm good. But I immediately also got, to the position again, also got immediately $214, which then went into my buying power. Now, because the market went lower and lower and lower, started also going lower and lower, I also sold, not that put, this is a bad idea. It's going to hurt me today. In Oscar Health, I also had a put. I rolled this up. Another one. This out. I had this put already sold, and I rolled it. I rolled it from here. This was my with the same expiration date. So the monthly, I sold the monthly a couple of days earlier with the 18 strike, so $18 a share strike, and this was obviously getting out more and more out of the money. So I rolled it from 18 down to basically that's what I did. I bought back this and sold this, and this gave me, for now, an example, if I would close this and buy back this, like close this and open and sell this against it, you can see I'm going to get $15 in credit. If this would be a greater position, it's going to already receive that $70, but I'm going to now get also buying power of $15 into my buying power. Okay, so these are just a couple of tricks you can use in order to manage this kind of sell-offs. Let me go even further. I also sold against Netflix. I sold a call here, bringing in $110. What else did I do? IBIT, I sold the call here. This is already at 38%. So as soon as the market opens, let's see how volatility behaves there. If these will go even higher, I'm going to close them all and open new positions, because as soon as I close them, it's going to take the difference. For example, if I want to close this call, show you this. I'm going to close this call. The problem is, now my buying power will be affected with $58. meaning that my buying power will be reduced by $58. Okay, but if the market opens higher or the market goes up higher, then my stocks are going to gain in value, so the buying power problem will be automatically solved. If not, the market keeps selling down, then I'm going to use, I could use the following tactic, not close this, but roll it down. So in this case, I'm going to take this, hit close, but at the same time, open up, sell this position, let's say the 55 strike. And this is going to bring in $50 once more. Now, if the market appreciates, I still have 28 days to manage this, so then I can roll it out in time. If this goes, if the price starts rising of, I bet in this case it's a Bitcoin ETF. So if the price starts rising and this is going to, my strike will be tested, I'm going to roll it out in time, again gaining some credit, or if I manage to roll it for a credit, currently I could roll this out in time, or let's say the next week, and receive 19 credits, so 0.19 credits. This is also one way of managing your buying power. You could almost do this indefinitely, because as long as you gain credits, you're all good. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this short live stream. I also wanted to test this, how this works. I hope you enjoyed this live stream. If you have any kind of questions or suggestions for future videos, just leave them in the comment section below. Hope you learned something. With that being said, I'm Norbert Menhardt. I build and protect wealth right here at Wealth.com. Catch you later on. I'm going to release the video of the markets, what I think is going to happen today. Definitely check that one out. So catch you all later. Stay safe out there. Bye bye.